Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can convert your Word document to a JPG image in your mobile. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to open your browser. It could be Google Chrome or anything. And in your browser, you want to search for file converter. Once you search for file converter, the second option where it says freeconvert.com, click on it. And it's going to bring you to its official website. Now, if you do not see this website option when you search for file convert, you can always search for freeconvert.com and it's going to take you to the official website, which is this page. You can see the URL in the bottom, freeconvert.com. Type it in and it's going to bring you over here. Once you're over here, click on where it says choose file. Once you click on choose file, click on the third option where it says choose file again and choose where your Word document is. So my 60 best chicken proper, that's my Word document. So I will click on it and click on open at the top right. Once I click on open, it's going to show me PDF, but I don't want to convert my Word document into PDF. So what I will do is click on PDF, and the second option where it says image, I will click on image because JPEG format is image, and I will choose JPG because that is what JPEG is. JPG, and now it says JPG over here, which means my Word document will be converted to JPG. I will click on convert and it's going to start uploading my Word document, and after the uploading is complete, it'll start to convert it. So as you guys can see, the uploading is finished. Now it's converting. Now once its converting is finished, I can basically just click on the download button over here and my Word document, which is converted to JPG, will start to download. So that's how you guys can convert your Word document to JPG in your mobile using this browser. So it could be any mobile, whichever mobile has a browsing feature, it's going to work on that. That's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys in my next video. And the time it's going to take you to convert the Word document into JPG depends on how big the file is. Mine is already done, so I can just click on download and download it just like this. So if I click on download, it's going to be downloaded. So yeah, that's how you guys can do it.